All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Cardano family. Appreciate each and every one of you guys for tuning in on a day-to-day basis and showing tremendous amount of love. But yeah, let's get right into today's topic, see what's happening with ADA and what we could be expecting going into this upcoming week ahead of us. But before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So it has been an amazing day for the altcoin market specifically yet again. Obviously on the weekends we do tend to see more manipulation than usual because of the fact that CME futures are closed. But in terms of utility projects, guys, utility projects have gone through the roof yet again. A lot of momentum, and look at a lot of coins that did not move over the course of the last year are popping off. DOT is having a great day, up 36.7% today. You're looking at TIA, Sand, VeChain, of course, XLM. Gala is moving as well, so you guys can get the idea. But right now you're noticing a specific thing. You're seeing the likes of XRP, you're seeing the likes of HBAR, you're seeing the likes of Cardano actually down because of the fact that these are the projects that have been pumping over the course of the last 1 week. A little bit of a retracement is very much needed before we start seeing a continuation, and you're seeing a correlation because remember, only XLM out of these 4 projects, again these are US based projects, you can see HBAR is down, XRP is down, and ADA is down. XLM has a lower market cap compared to these guys, hence you are seeing XLM holding quite well. And speaking about XLM, the price is sitting at some levels which I've obviously spoken to you guys before that are beyond bullish, and of course that just brings in excitement itself. But let's take a quick look at Cardano. But before I do that, let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame at 53.2%, which of course a lot of people will ignore. But on this channel, we're not going to be ignoring those facts. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So $1.07 is the current price as of Saturday for Cardano, down about 3.6% in USD, also down about 4.2% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap at about $38.3 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is picking up, and it's picking up fast at 6.2 billion. What's really crazy to see is, which a lot of people right now, the fact that Cardano is down, I guarantee you there's going to be some people in the community talking about why is the price of Cardano down while DOT is moving, while some of these other projects are moving. Are we going to forget the fact that VeChain or the likes of some of these other coins that are booming are much lower in terms of market valuation compared to ADA? Not only that, ADA just 3 weeks back, barely had any volume. And here we are. We need to understand how big of a move this really is. I'm going to continue to remind you guys this because a lot of people tend to forget this, but let's take a look at what is happening with the price. But before I do that, look at this, guys. So, Good Morning Crypto posted this week, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse told Fox Business that U.S. crypto companies are the best performing since election day: XRP, HBAR, XLM, and Cardano. He explained this shouldn't be a surprise given the pressure is expected to be lifted from the U.S. crypto companies under President Trump. American crypto companies will thrive during the Trump administration. And we have seen over the course of the last 1 week specifically these projects popping off, and they're retesting some levels we haven't seen for 3 years. And again, it tells you everything you need to know in terms of how much momentum has really come into these coins, utility projects. But with that said, if you're looking at Bitcoin dominance, I spoke about this in my other updates today. You're looking at the dominance pulling down sharply. We saw dominance going down to 58.4%. 58.4%, and again that is causing some of these altcoins to pop off, and you're seeing the overall market still holding green. You're seeing some of the projects that did not move popping off as well, having their time. But we cannot forget, the dominance is a huge factor when you're analyzing the prices of cryptocurrencies. And since then, dominance is picking up. And I projected this in my XRP update. Obviously, like I said, CME futures are closed. Bitcoin never really cracked past the $100,000 price point yet. But maybe next week we do see that breakout that a lot of people are anticipating. Of course, we're going to see that battle between the bulls and the bears. It's not an easy battle, but I think the bulls are going to come at the top. With that said, you are seeing if Bitcoin is able to push back above to the all-time high, I do believe dominance will start picking up again. So in terms of an altcoin season, yes, altcoins, you could pretty much say this already is an altcoin season for some of these projects. What you're seeing is crazy types of moves happening, and I think December is going to be even more exciting, for the crypto space based off of what we have seen in this month. But Early next year, a little bit of choppy levels in my opinion. But again, obviously time is the major factor. So Bitcoin is picking up a little bit of a traction and making its way back above $98,143. So again, anything is possible as far as Bitcoin price is concerned. So, keep your eyes on dominance. If dominance picks up, I think that altcoins could kind of see a little bit of a lag unless Bitcoin smashes past 100K mark, which of course altcoins are going to follow it in the USD comparable. With that said, let's take a look at Cardano. Let's take a look at Cardano's price. So $1.07 as recording this update. Amazing to see. Yes, guys, you heard that correct. Amazing to see. I know some people are going to be like, Crypto ZX, why are you calling this amazing? Because the price of Cardano is not in the 0.50 or the 38.2. Are you guys just going to forget the fact that, we're sitting above $1 price point, which people used to dream of? And yes, we're sitting above $1. And right now, we haven't even retested that support. I actually want you guys to show, I want you guys to take a look at it on the hourly time frame so you can kind of understand what's going on. So look, oopsies, we don't want to get rid of that. Here we are. So you guys can see we've been ranging since breaking out of here, and very, very key resistance. After breaking about here, we have been bouncing above that key support and haven't even retested that support exactly at the support itself. But you can see, the price of Cardano is doing exactly what you want to see it do. After you see major resistances break out, the first thing you want to do is, kind of trading above that key resistance, not just go up and just completely go down. That will show weakness. Right now, what you're seeing is nice breakout after 2-3 years and a nice consolidation. So of course, exactly what you want to be seeing happening after a major move like this. The targets are the same, to be quite frank with you. The 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. And again, the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level is a major retest, major resistance. And I think we could actually end up seeing that faster than a lot of people think. And if you want to put this into perspective, it's only a move of about 12.63%. Think about it, only a 12.63% move. I think we break towards that level in the upcoming days, or maybe even in the next few hours. Would not be surprising me, depending on how dominance reacts. But holding really good. 2 days in a row, we are closing above that $1 price point, and it is giving me an indication that the Cardano price is ready to start heading towards the levels that we have been anticipating for quite some time. And once it's able to cross the 0.50, I think that's where the fireworks and the real excitement kicks in. And now you're really starting to understand, the magnitude of Cardano staking, how majority of the coins are being staked. Now people are starting to realize, hold on, this is actually a major deal, because of course, there's not much, and trust me, there's not much coins to be purchased on the exchanges right now for ADA. And ADA is going to break towards an all-time high way faster than a lot of people think. And that is thanks to a huge chunk of its supply obviously being staked, and the demand, of course. The demand factor, the hype factor is there for itself. A lot of major developments, and we're going to hear more about that in the upcoming week. And yeah, great stuff as far as the price is concerned. You cannot get greedy, in terms of the people that are getting greedy, because, Cardano's price is kind of seeing a little bit of a, pullback today. You cannot be forgetting that just in a matter of 2 weeks, it's up 246%. No one saw this coming, and here we are. Let's be excited about what we're seeing. Let's not get greedy, and let's kind of strategize our, exit strategies, because very, very important key thing to do is take those profits on your way up. If you're just going to be waiting for a specific price, and some whale comes and starts dumping their positions, because of course they want to lock in profits too, then maybe it can cause a snowball effect and your profits could be hurt. But at the end of the day, I think we still have way more upside in the upcoming month specifically. And then I think as we start off 2025, a little bit of a cool off is going to happen. I'm very confident on that. But let's take it one step at a time. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.